Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy S10, and I quickly want to give you a demo on the three cameras on the back. The ultra wide, wide, and telephoto lens. So the first thing I want to mention is that you can use all three lenses. It doesn't matter if you're in photo mode. As you can see down here, you have the ultra wide, the wide, and the telephoto. You can use it in photo as well as in video. Another thing too is it's not on the front side, okay? So if I tap on the front side, I mean, you just have one lens here, so you're not able to zoom in or out. Let me go back to the lens here. Let me show you how awesome this is too, okay? So you can basically click, if I click there, it's 0.5. Here is 1.0, and the telephoto is 0.2. But we can also do this too. Let me go back to 1x right there, which is the wide angle, not the ultra wide. And then from here, I can go ahead and pinch it here, okay? So right now we're at 0.5. And then I can go ahead and move up. And then once I hit that little thing down here at 1x, now we're using the middle lens, the wide angle. And if I keep on going right there, boom, now we're using the telephoto lens. Now I can keep on going in. And let me give you a quick example of this telephoto lens, because this thing is absolutely impressive. Okay, so we can see some writing right there, right? I mean, I can't see it from this distance, but let me go ahead and whip out my S10 here, okay? Okay, I'm all the way at 0.5, okay? I'm gonna start zooming in now. Boom, there is the wide angle at 1.0. I'm gonna go all the way in, and right there hits the telephoto. It's at 2.1 right now. Let's keep going into 10x now. Look at this. I'm gonna keep on going in. Look at this. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. That is 10x right there, okay? And there's the writing right there. Let me go ahead and turn it sideways as well. Is that super crazy? Let me go ahead and take a quick photo all the way zoomed in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go all the way to the 10x right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take a snapshot right there. And now we're gonna look at this photo right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab this and we're gonna look at the facts. That is pretty freaking amazing. Yeah, just a quick demo here. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Look at that. That is absolutely insane.